Hello everyone, this is a lathe machine of our institution, Gaat Private ITI, and it's for fitter trade. The four numbers of lathe machine present in here and operated by bell drive. This portion is called headstock with a individual chuck, and this is the carriage by which we can operate the tool post for cutting, knurling, so many types of operation. And the tool post where the cutting tool can hold easily and cut the bar, MS bar, and this portion is called tailstock. Now we can discuss later about some more important thing about the lathe machine, and it is a bed of a lathe machine. Okay.